Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to tackle extreme hair fall. If you are struggling with hair loss, hair thinning or lack of hair growth, I have got an easy hack for you that will strengthen your hair roots, darken your hair and even promote new hair growth. Use it consistently for just 1 week and you'll begin to see the difference. Plus, if your hair has started to whiten, this recipe is perfect for that as well. It's simple and highly effective. So let's get started. By the way, before we jump into the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. So here's the recipe. First, we will take methi seeds and fry it. Methi seeds are great for your hair. I'm using 1 cup of methi seeds, a powerful natural remedy for your hair. Methi is rich in antifungal properties which help maintain a healthy scalp, reduce dandruff, and it also helps in reducing hair thinning. Its amino acids aid in reducing hair fall while stimulating new hair growth. Next, we will fry 1 teaspoon of pepper. Pepper improves blood circulation in the scalp, encouraging new hair growth and also reducing hair loss. It also has antibacterial properties that keep the scalp clean. Next, we will take 1 bunch of curry leaves and fry it as well. Curry leaves are a great source of beta-carotene and proteins that strengthen hair roots and reduce hair fall. They also contain antioxidants that nourish the scalp. So we'll fry all of these and grind them into fine powder. Let it sit for at least 3 hours so that the powder is not very thick, but it turns into a fine powder. We need to mix it, so we'll let it sit for at least 3 hours. And then for the hair oil, we will I'll show you how to make the hair oil now. In a bowl, take some coconut oil and heat it in low flame. Make sure the flame is in low because the coconut oil tends to burn, so we'll keep the flame low. Add the powdered mixture into the oil and continue heating on the oil for few minutes. So we have to mix the mixture and the oil but in low flame. Once done, we will again allow it to cool for some time. After cooling, strain the oil using a white cloth. You can take a white cloth and strain the oil. Then this oil, you can store it in any container, glass container or plastic container, and you can keep it for up to 2-3 months. It stays well for up to 2-3 months. Now whenever you want to use it, you have to just warm it up a little and apply to your scalp. You can leave it overnight for best results as well. This hair oil, you can actually warm it up, give a nice massage. Plus, I'm also showing you a hair serum recipe. For this recipe, what we have to do is take fresh aloe vera. You have to take aloe vera, like fresh aloe vera which is cut from a plant, or you can also buy it from outside. You have to peel the aloe vera and extract the pulp like this, as I'm showing it to you. Blend the pulp and in a mixer and mix it nicely. Now take the mixture of the pulp and add coconut oil into it. Coconut oil is great for your hair, and also add 2 vitamin E oil capsules. Vitamin E oil capsules helps in hair nourishment, hair loss and also new hair growth. It promotes new hair growth. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins that help repair your dead cells on the scalp, which again in turn helps in new hair growth. It works as a great conditioner, leaving your hair smooth and shiny. After you've had apply that hair oil, you can use this serum the next morning, leave it for 15-20 minutes and wash it off. It's a great conditioner. Use these both regularly and you'll definitely see the results. and give it like just 1 week or 15 days. You'll start noticing the difference. So let me know if you've liked this video or you have any doubts regarding this video. I will clear it in the comments below.